Welcome to the Foods Lab at Wellesley High School. My name is Rachel Slager. Your student probably has one of my classes, Joy of Cooking, World Foods, or Culinary Arts. Let me tell you a little bit more about what we do here. Here in Joy of Cooking, I have something called outcomes, which are the standards of my classroom or behaviors that I want seen in my students. So there are 5 of them that I grade every time they're cooking in the labs. The first one, mise en place, which basically can they put all their equipment and get it prepared and ready to cook, as well as their ingredients. And they know how to get all their measuring equipment, all their cooking equipment before they even start. Personal hygiene, do they wash their hands, tie back their hair, get their labs ready before they start touching food. Safety, are they safe with knives, with the oven? Do they close their cupboards? Are they safe with hot things? Do they communicate with their team when they have any of those things in their hands? Sanitation. So they also have to sanitize their labs before, during, and after, just to make sure that they're properly cleaned. All their dishes have to be washed, dried, sanitized, and then put away before they leave for the day. Teamwork. Do they know what their job is? They have to sign up on a sheet. We go through what they're going to be doing for that certain position, and they all check out their lab with me before they leave. Everyone does their work, and they help each other out to get out before the bell rings. So that's a little bit more about Joy of Cooking and my expectations in this classroom. A couple of things I grade on is all their labs will receive 40%. Each lab has a rubric, and I grade them according to that rubric. Now the rubric, I talked about the outcomes. That's 30% of their grade. I take an average every cycle, and it's added into their grades as outcomes. And then lastly, they have quizzes. Their quizzes could be on paper, or most of the time they're going to be a lab themselves where I just watch them and see how they're, and I measure their lab behaviors according to mise en place, sanitation, safety, teamwork, and personal hygiene. If you have any questions, just email me at slager@wellsleyps.org.